Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here, and you can tell by the sound of my voice that I'm a little bit fluid and choked up with a cough and cold. However, we're going to be doing something a little bit different this time. We're going to be doing a Diecast Garage instead of a Diecast car, and this is the Matchbox Garage accessory pack number 3, made by Leslie in England. And this is allegedly a 64 scale garage. It's one of the original buildings, and I've even brought a couple of doors for it. However, if you're a modern day Matchbox driver, you're not going to get in this garage. The Rozzers can't get in. The fire chief has got his back end stuck out. And here comes Martin there and his Jag for a visit. And, no, you're not fitting in there, Martin. And we've even got Laz from Laszlo Collectibles who's driving over in a majorette. And, he's flipped over there. But, yeah, is he going to get in? Just about. The tow hook is just about sticking out the back. So this garage was built for the original A series of Matchbox cars, the very smallest version. So there is some difference in what we class as 64 scale in sizes, to be honest. This is one of the first buildings that came out. So let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one, and I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Matchbox Garage. It is actually the metal lockup garage A-3, produced from 1958 to 1963 in yellow, red and green. So we've actually done this one pretty much as close to the original as you can get, which is unusual for me, I have to say. As I say, it is an A-3 and the accessory pack is number 3. Now I stand corrected, and I'll also hold my hands up if I'm wrong. It is not 1/64 scale, it's 1/72 scale. So that's why Martin and Laz and the Rozzers are having trouble getting their vehicles in. It's just not built for a 1/64 scale car. I have put a little Ilman Minx inside it to give you the view of what it should look like with a A-series car in it. This was one of the original cars from back in the day. So there you go, a nice simple little model to do. The only difficult part of it was getting a screw back in the post. It was really fiddly, but once we'd managed to get the fingers and thumbs working properly, we managed to get one in there and tighten it up with a screwdriver. I like this. I do like this little model. So nice and cute, simple, and another one to go on the shelves. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. It's like I say, quick, simple, but as much worth doing as any other die-cast vehicle or building. And I'd like to pass my thanks on to everybody who keeps supporting the channel. And as Martin would say, old subscribers and new subscribers, you're all welcome to drop by on Facebook. Visit our DMC Facebook group. We've now over 350 members. It's fantastic, and their support is second to none. You can also catch us every other week on the DMC YouTube channel, where we started doing live chats. So this is PJ signing off till next time. We'll be looking at doing a Land Rover next, as we've got another DMC challenge coming up. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.